Hey, what up? Alright, back again with another video by DJ Mobile Auto Services. We got a KG11 here with customer complaints that she feel like she's losing power, especially when she put the AC on. Actually, if we could take a look at it, there's no, what you call it, no check engine light on. We believe it's a misfire, but as I said, I can't fix anything that's working. So what I told her to do is drive it until it gets worse, so I can so I can see what it is and diagnose it from there. So you put the key on for me, please. Right, so this is the first time the vehicle is started up, right? So we gotta get warmed up, and then I would take it from there, right? And you will be able to narrow down to see if there's a misfire based on ignition coil, spark plug, or even if it's the injector or something like that. As I said, I'm not sure. Alright, so you hear the engine is sounding a little rough. Alright, let's go to the muffler. So it definitely sounds like a misfire, right? This have the MR20 engine in it, right, which is a very popular engine where I'm at. So let's diagnose this car. Boy here gonna set it up for me, right? So you're gonna hit manual select. Right, you're going to Japan. Yes, closer so you can see. Alright, you're gonna scroll down to selfie. Just pass it on that side. Right, you're gonna go to G11. Right, 2005. This is a 2006, but same thing. In fact, come on. Sorry, I was wrong. 2007. We're gonna use. Right, you're gonna go to ECM because this car actually drives well, so I don't have any issues with anything else. So I'm just gonna show you what's going on. Right, we don't have no check engine light on this car. Right, so we're just looking for a little direction. As I said, it could be a simple thing as a coil, spark plug, or even an injector. But once I figure out what it is, I'm just gonna confirm. Right, so what it's telling me there, I'm got a P0304, which is a cylinder number 4 misfire. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is remove this cover, right? The engine, as I said, we got a P0304 cylinder misfire. Right, as you notice that all the coils except that number 4 is buried under this manifold, right? So this is number 1. Number 1 is closer to the belt, right? So we're gonna go after number 4, which is this one, which is under the cool solenoid. Alright, so with my paddle on my number 4, right? Sometimes you don't get the proper signal because these coils are very insulated. So let's see what you get. Right. So using my scope here, I'm just gonna tweak my voltage a little bit and my time, so I can see more of the event that's happening on the. So this is number, every time you see, this is number 4 basically, right? Let's stop this, right, and let's zoom into when it's happening. I'm just gonna raise this up a little bit so you can see it. Right, so sorry about the glare, man. Hold on, let me see if I can get closer. Yeah, sorry about the glare. Right, so what I'm getting here is looking at my secondary waveform, right, or for the coil. But what I gotta do here is do a snap chucker to see if when the coil is being stressed, right? So let me ask my boy to give me a snap. Take up the zoom. Go. Then snap. Hold on. Go ahead. Right, so you can see, go ahead, go again. So let's zoom in to when he snaps and see what is going on with our coil. Right, so let's look at this. Oh man, this glare is killing it. I'm watching now is the burn time number 4. Right, it looks good, right, in comparison to the rest of them when you're idle. But for some reason, when you step on the X, it sounds like it's breaking up. Go ahead, snap. Again. So as I said, it don't have to be the plug. This is number 3, as you can see. Go ahead, snap. Number 3 is good. This is number 4. Hold on. Go ahead, snap. Could be simply as a faulty plug, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask the customer, we're gonna find what the customer want to do, and then we're gonna take it from there. All right, so when we got it out, we're seeing some oil on the boot, on the installation boot for the spark plug, the coil pack. So it could be that oil is getting down in the cylinder and causing the misfire. Wow, yeah. So we gotta reseal this entire cover. Okay, that changed quickly. So let's see what's going on in the hole. Okay, so we have a serious problem here where it's oil that's going down in the cylinder, and we gotta recently reseal this whole cover. That is why this vehicle have this misfire. Alright, so change of plans, abandon ship till tomorrow. We gotta replace this valve cover gasket, right, to handle this misfire. Yeah, well, it wasn't the coil, but I'm going to change the plug still since I'm there, and I'm not going to change the coil. And yeah, that should be it. Put this back up, clear the codes, and that's that. But you pull number 4.
Okay.
Yeah, let's pull it still. Pull number 4 plugs and see what's going on. This is number 4 installation boot. I'm going to change this coil also. Let's see how it is. Oh, you want to off the evidence, man. It's good plugs. What was it gain on the tip? Nope. But I'm not really too confident in this installation. You see how it's looking kind of just split here so you can get a better view. Probably what happened, the oil after a while get this too, you know, mushy. You see me right here. So I'm not sure if this boot is the problem, but we do have oil in the cylinder on all. So we gotta reseal this cover, put back up some fresh plugs while we're at it, and probably change this coil just to be on the safe side. We could try to use it back, but I will discuss that with the client. Yeah. And then we clear codes and take it from there.